Hello guys, this is Hadi from HadiTech back with another video. I hope you guys are just doing well, and I hope guys you are in a blissful state. I'm sorry for not uploading to this channel. I have actually some stuff to be done. I had some stuff going on, so I had to sort that out first so I can be back on schedule and I can upload back again. But that's besides the point. In today's video we will be going through the process of doing keyword research using a well-known and reputable tool in the SEO market called SEMrush. Like I said, we will be targeting or try to target one of the easiest keywords that you can rank for, especially if you are starting a new blog, a new website, so that way you can outrank your competitors. And that's what we need to do, and that's what SEMrush will allow us to do. So before we jump into this video, I would highly appreciate you guys if you drop a like, comment down below if there's like anything you want to ask me. I will be glad to reply in the comments. And if there is anything that you want to talk about, there is like social media accounts you can reach out. Also, there is my links to my blogs and to the store. I sell some private accounts there for some tools like Grammarly, Canva, etc. You're gonna find a lot of tools that you may need for a discounted price. And yeah, that's all. So without further ado, let's just get into this tutorial. The website that I'm gonna be using an example today is just an HTML5 website. I have created a bunch of these and I'm trying to put out a video later on. I'm not sure if you are like interested in that, but it's just a case study about making these type of websites and generate a lot of traffic and obviously monetize that traffic with the AdSense. The good news is these websites, the gaming websites or like the games niche websites do get approved instantly on AdSense, and that's just a great thing regardless. So if y'all guys are interested in that, in creating a website like this, monetize it, please do let me know in the comments so I can make a full tutorial on how you can do that. But for now, again, like I said, I'm trying to actually rank this website. It's just a newly made website. If we go to the search console, go to the performance, as you can see, I've created this website on the 10th of October. So it's just a fairly new website, but I've got some, decent metrics. As you can see, 70 clicks, 1000 impressions. The CTR is just 6% and the average position is 64. So like I said, this does not differ, like this website does not differ from your regular website, like a blog website. So if we're trying to do some keyword research, the first thing that we need to do is just head to SEMrush. Like I said, I'm gonna leave the link to it down below. Obviously it's an affiliate link, and I would truly appreciate it if you purchase your subscription through that link. It will help the channel immensely. So again, what we need to do is just very simple. There are like two methods, which is the first one that we will be focusing on is just analyzing the competitors and trying to hijack those keywords, like the profitable keywords, the low difficulty keywords, and trying to rank for those keywords. And the second method is just try to browse keywords ourselves and see if there's like some opportunities that we can do or try to rank for. So let's just start with the first one, which is the competitor side of things. I've done some competitor research, and one of my competitors is actually Poke.com, one of the biggest websites in the HTML games niche. So as you can see, the authority score is just 87. The organic traffic is 50.9 million. It's just huge. Paid traffic is just 5.5 million. Backlinks is 7.9 million. And as you can see, this is just a huge website, and you can truly imagine the amount of revenue this guy or organization are just generated from such traffic. And as you can see, we have 55.9 million traffic worldwide, and India on the top of that list. So let's just for example go to the US, right? So I want to target people from the US. That's what we need to do. Then go to the organic research and click view details. All right, so let's just click view details, and this will load up all of the keywords that this website is just ranking for, and that's what you need to do. So if you have a competitor, if you've done your research, you have a competitor, just take that link, paste it in SEMrush and do the same thing. right? So as you can see, we have 391.1k keywords that this website is ranking for, and this traffic is coming from the US. As you can see, 10 million traffic is just coming from the US. And as you can see here, we have the keyword, we have the position of the website, which, you know, the ranking of the website, we have the traffic, and we have the volume, and we have the KD. If you are starting off a new blog, website, whatever the case might be, you need to actually go to the KD section right here and set the keyword difficulty to 1 to 30. That way you are trying to filter the easiest keyword that you can rank for, right? So what we need to do next is just very simple. As you can see, SEMrush then gave us the easiest keywords ranked. As you can see, 15 is just very easy, or easy. You can rank on it. For example, we have this this game right here. It's called Drive Mad. We have the Impossible Quiz. We have Red Hat Parkour. So what I need to do is just very simple. I will just go back to my gaming website and look for these games. For instance, if I found these games in here, I will try to index them. If I not, I'll try to add them so we can, you know, hijack some of that traffic and get that traffic coming to my website. So for example, we have Red Hat Parkour. Let's just look that up. So Red Hat, we don't have Red Hat Parkour. So I have now an idea of the keyword that I want to target. It's this game in particular. So I need to actually add this game to my list of games, right? The same goes out for this. Let's just try the Impossible Quiz. Again, we don't have that. We don't have the Impossible Quiz, right? So as you can see, you have now a basic idea and understanding of how that works. So we need to actually hijack these keywords and try to make a better version of, you know, the post or the article, whatever the case might be, on your website. So that's what I need to do. So that was like the first method. The second method is just very simple. You can browse keywords. You just, you know, try to browse keywords. For example, my website is just about HTML5 games, right? Okay, so that's one keyword. The second keyword, maybe I will just target just fun games. The third is just arcade, excuse me, games. The fourth maybe sports. And you can just list up to 100 keywords right here and try to actually, you know, go through all of these keywords. So let's just click search and let's just try to analyze these keywords, right? Okay, so we clicked on the overview tab in here and we have some of, you know, the best actually keywords. For example, we have HTML5 games in blocked, right? This keyword is just very simple and it is actually getting 1.6k traffic monthly, right? And we have some other keywords that we can browse on. Click on see all keywords so we can see all the keywords that you can rank for, and do the same like we did before. Just filter the keyword difficulty from 1 to 30. That way you will have only the easiest keywords to rank for, right? That's what you need to do. And again, as you can see, we have this keyword generating, you know, somewhat decent traffic, and you got all of these as well. All right, so let's just probably take another example because most of y'all probably don't have such a website, so that probably could not work the same way, right? Or that's what a lot of y'all think. So for example, you wrote an article about how to lose weight fast, and as you can see, the keyword difficulty is just 100%, so it's just very hard to actually rank for this keyword, as you can see right here. Let's just click on view all keywords. What we need to do is just very simple. We need to actually again target or look for those easy to rank for keywords on SEMrush. So let's just filter by 1 to 30 again and click apply. And SEMrush will load all of the keywords that you can rank for. So if you are targeting this keyword in particular, there is no chance of you ranking on that keyword. So you need to actually go back to your article and try to adjust your article based on these keywords. That's the best way that you can do to actually rank for I don't know, like keywords in the health needs. For example, you need to actually do your keyword research beforehand so you can write the article after, not the way around. So for example, if you did you know, how to lose weight fast, you need to actually change that to how, for example, to lose 40 pounds or 40 pounds weight fast, or how to lose weight fast in Ramadan, or like do another keyword and target this keyword so you can rank for it later. And there's like a bunch of other keywords right here. Let's just go to the questions tab. It will give you a different variety of keywords that you can actually target too. So excuse me, this is not the one that I'm aiming for. Let's just go back to all keywords right here. So it will just give us all the keywords, whether that be a question, broad match, phrase match, every keyword possible that has lose weights in it, and we're gonna browse them by difficulty. So as you can see, there's like a bunch of keywords right here. We have 20-pound weight. What does 20 pounds of fat look like? 20 pounds, 20-hour fast, chubby belly, lose 20 pounds in 3 months. As you can see, this is a good keyword if you are in the health niche, for example. This one in particular is just getting 1,000 monthly visits every month, and the keyword difficulty is just 22. It's very easy. You can rank for that. As you can see, we have versus type of article, fat loss versus weight loss. This one is also getting a decent traffic. You gotta aim for, like I said, keywords with lower difficulty. As you can see, we have losing weight before and after face. This keyword is very, very easy, and you can probably rank for this keyword as well. So again, what you need to do after you find all of these keywords, just click all of that, right, and add them to your list, or probably just copy them and go to Excel or like Google Sheet and just paste all of these and browse these keywords and try to target these keywords again in your website, guys. And that's how you actually can get some traffic and outrank your competitors. So this was just a brief explanation of how you can do keyword research and keyword analysis on SEMrush. If there's anything that you want to ask, like I said, drop it in the comments down below and I will definitely check it out. If you want to talk to me, we have my social media again linked down below. You have the website link, the store link, and obviously SEMrush as a tool. And yeah, that was it. Take care of yourselves, guys, and see you in the next video.